Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we got a 2010 Dodge Journey SXT, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the front shocks or the strut on this vehicle. 2010 Dodge Journey front strut assembly replacement. The first thing you'll do is raise and support your vehicle, and then remove the wheel. These are 19mm lug nuts. After you've done that, the first thing we're going to do is remove the sway bar link, just the top bolt here. And that's at 18mm. The easiest way to remove that bolt is to just lock it with a vice grip through the back, just making sure you don't cause any damage to the boot. Next, you'll want to remove these two 13mm bolts that's holding your brake flex line into place. After you've removed those 13mm, you will now need a 21mm wrench and a 21mm socket to remove these two bolts from the hub assembly. If the bolt doesn't come out immediately, you can leave the nut threaded towards the end there and then use a hammer to lightly tap it out of place. Next, you'll be opening your hood and removing your wiper cowl. There will be plastic tabs that are in place at the bottom and a few that are on top and on each corner. You do not have to remove your wipers, and the cowl does not have to be removed completely, just enough so you can get access to the upper strut bolts. So the first things we'll be removing are the strut bar mounts. These screws, there are four 13mm screws, and you'll be removing them on this side and also on the other side. With the strut tower bar out of the way, we now have access to the upper strut bolts. There will be 3 of them, and they're all 15mm. With the top mounts removed, you can now remove the strut assembly towards the back of the vehicle and maneuver it out, just like that. And that's how you remove the strut. Alright, so installation is just in the reverse order. Just make sure you got all your clips and your nuts and bolts put into place correctly, and you should be good to go. So once again, I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if it was, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great videos like this. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you and have a great day.